CryptoFace. This is an early morning Bitcoin fund manager, and you know what? The market is in a real interesting place right now. Whoops. So let's analyze what's going on, because my last video, as you guys know, we've been bearish for the past good few days, and it has been paying off amazingly. We're very happy with our results. And there's a little confusion with Bitcoin right now. This is Bitcoin on the 5-minute. And I like looking at this little scrunch. We had a little wedge, a little response. We skipped down and we're just shooting up, shooting up. And so there is people, I know there's people are a little squeamish. They don't really know if it's going to go down. There's a little upwards pressure. What's going to happen? So we've been using EOS as our market indicator. And look what's happened. We broke below the triangle. We came up, retested the new resistance. And now we're testing it again. Let me see if I can get us a better view. Oh, this is much better, I think. Here's EOS. EOS is our compass currently, because sometimes EOS is fading out the market, and this market really is being led by whales and their moves, or an aka the Chinese Rothschilds. So this chart is more Chinese Rothschild. It's like a filter. EOS is our filter. And so we're gonna see where, this is gonna play out. No one's flopping and groping yet. Still have shorts on the board. We're just kind of seeing what's happening. I probably wouldn't go to sleep with trades open. If you do, then just obviously don't risk more than what you're willing to lose. Looking at Tron, everything's the same. So yeah, that's pretty much it. We said what we needed to say. We'll see what happens next. What will happen next? I don't know.